In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear highlights from your spreadsheet with the help of Gemini here in Google Sheets. So this video is part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. Now, if you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Now, going back to the video, so unfortunately, Ask Gemini right here within Google Sheets won't be able to directly remove all the highlights from our spreadsheet. So a workaround this, still using Gemini, would be to ask it to create a code that we can put in our app script that will create a custom menu for us to click and clear those highlights. So I did a video about this with ChatGPT. So this time that we have Gemini, let's try and see if it does the same. So in another tab, we're going to open Gemini right here. So just go to your address bar, type in gemini.google.com, and it will lead you to this page. So here we have Gemini, and in this space right here is where we're going to enter our prompt. So I wrote a simple prompt of asking it to create a code for AppScript, and that's going to be for Google Sheets, that will clear all the highlights on our spreadsheet, including our conditional formatting, with a custom menu that we can click. Now, I'm including this part right here because I did some test runs before this video, and it did create a code for me, but when I try and clear those highlights, it doesn't actually clear it because it wasn't under conditional formatting. So the highlights that it was trying to initially remove or clear were actually manual highlights where we would be coloring the backgrounds of each cells depending on what we're trying to do with our data. So that's what it was trying to clear a while ago. Now, I'm going to be as specific as I can and include conditional formatting in my prompt just to make sure it does include that, not just the ones that we manually colored in our data, but also the ones that are under conditional formatting. So once you've done that, once you've entered your prompt here in Gemini, we can just click on submit right here, and it will automatically create that code for us. So it will also include the same instructions. If you've checked out the video with ChatGPT, again, it will include the instructions of what you're going to do. Open Google Sheet, go to extensions, then AppScript, then clear out all the previous codes and paste in the one that it's created right here. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy the JavaScript, the code, then go back to my spreadsheet, go to extensions and open AppScript. So again, if you have any pre-existing or other existing codes right here, you're just going to select and delete. So everything is clear now, and paste. So the instructions for this one is actually save it first. So other than the one we have in ChatGPT where we are going to run the function, here we're going back to our spreadsheet right away, then refresh the page. So here, after refreshing our page, we're going to have that custom menu appear in here. Here we have it. So when we click on this and click on clear all highlights and rules, that's a time that it's going to ask permission to run. So we're going to click on OK here, then allow the permissions that we have. So we're going to go to advanced, continue to untitled project, go to continue or allow. There we go. So this will remove all background colors and conditional formatting rules from all sheets. Do you want to proceed? So we're going to click on yes. And now all highlights and conditional formatting rules have been removed. Okay. So it did do the same thing, but this time it does include all sheets. So if you don't want it to clear all sheets, again, you have to specify that with your prompt. So you want it to only clear out the active spreadsheet or the only spreadsheet that you are in, and you don't want it to clear out all the highlights in your entire file. So if you have multiple tabs and you don't want to clear out all the tabs from the highlights, then you can also specify that with your prompts with Gemini. And there you have it. So we were able to clear the highlights from our spreadsheet with the help of Gemini here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.